Hey guys, today's video I'm going to show you how to fix low volume in your Windows 11. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to come below at the search bar, then type in sound. You will see it under system settings. Launch your system settings sound. In your make sure volume is set to 100% and output device is your speaker and input device is the one that you're using right now. If you're connected to anything, make sure that you see here and you have been selecting it. And likewise, if you are having problem for voice, for your Chrome or maybe any application, you're going to have to reset all the permission. It says reset sound devices and volumes for all apps to the recommended defaults. Go ahead and reset. Now once you do so, restart your device, see if it fixes your problem. If it's still not working, come below at this volume or speaker button right here. Select this filter icon. Now right at this section, select more volume settings. And right at this page, make sure mono audio is selected. Select more sound settings. Right here, you will see your speakers. Go ahead and click onto it. Now, select this levels. Make sure this is high as well for microphone and for line in. Once you do that, restart your device, try again, and it will definitely work.